Hello everyone, welcome to our discussion room. Let's see what today's topic is. That's wonderful, it's traveling. Meet my friend Miss Silva. She has just returned from a trip to Spain. Let's ask her as many questions as we can using the 7 question words we have learned. The 7 question words are who, what, when, where, why, whose, which, how, and how many. Let's begin. Who did you go with?
I went with my husband.
When did you go to Spain?
I went 3 weeks ago.
How long did you go for?
I went for 10 days.
Where did you stay?
I stayed at a nice hotel called Hotel Spain.
Which cities did you visit in Spain?
I visited Barcelona and Madrid.
How long did you stay in Barcelona and Madrid?
I stayed in Barcelona for 5 days and I stayed in Madrid for 5 days.
Which city did you like more?
Oh, both cities are amazing, but I love Barcelona more.
What was special about Barcelona?
Oh, it's a beautiful city. The architecture in Barcelona is gorgeous.
Why did you go to Spain?
I wanted to see the beautiful cities, the beach, and try their famous food.
What did you like most about Spain?
I loved all the friendly people I met.
What's the next place you're going to visit?
I think the next place I will visit is India. I would love to see the Taj Mahal.
That's wonderful. What about Carlos? Where would you like to travel?
I would love to visit Egypt one day. I want to see the pyramids. I love historical places.
That sounds great. What about you, Sarah? Where would you like to visit? I would like to visit Tokyo. That sounds great, Sarah. What about you? Where have you been? Where would you like to travel? That sounds great. Why do you want to go there? That's great. That will be all. Thank you, Miss Silva, for being here.
Thanks for having me. Hope to see you again.
Great work, guys. Excellent job asking questions using the question words. I am excited to see what our next discussion topic will be. I will see you next class. Bye.